Hi Skin Games, it's me, Kisha Hamilton. I'm a licensed esthetician in Goodyear, Arizona, and this is week 2 of our age management category with Anna. When designing Anna's age management treatment plan, my goal was to create a progressive and strategic approach that addresses aging at multiple levels, structural, muscular, and cellular, without overwhelming or compromising the skin. Microchanneling will serve as the primary treatment because collagen degradation is Anna's main concern. At her age, fibroblast actively slows significantly, so the skin will need a direct signal to initiate repair. Microchanneling will allow me to create controlled micro-injuries that stimulate collagen and elastin production while delivering recombinant growth factors, hyaluronic acid, and DNA repair enzymes directly into the skin. This will address aging at its foundation by supporting cellular repair and structural rebuilding. Microchanneling sessions will be spaced intentionally throughout the series to allow adequate time for healing and collagen remodeling. Because collagen regeneration is a gradual process, consistency paired with a proper recovery time will be essential for achieving visible and sustainable improvement. Microcurrent will be introduced as a secondary treatment to support the muscular component of aging. As collagen weakens, facial muscles shorten and lose tone, contributing to the sagging in the cheeks and jawline. Microcurrent therapy will help to re-educate facial muscles, improving circulation, enhance lymphatic drainage. When combined with microchanneling, it will reinforce the lifting and contouring effects without overstimulating the skin. Home care will be the tertiary but critical component of this treatment plan. While professional treatments initiate change, home care will maintain and protect the results. Anna's home care will focus on hydration, barrier repair, antioxidant protection, and continued collagen support. This will ensure that the progress achieved in the treatment room is supported daily and protected from UV exposure, dehydration, and environmental stressors. This layered approach, microchanneling to rebuild, microcurrent to lift, and home care to protect, will allow Anna's skin to progressively strengthen, respond efficiently to treatment, and achieve measurable improvements throughout the course of this study. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Toodaloo.